Hello friends, today I am going to explain about nomenclature and uses of surgical instruments and hospital equipments and health accessories. Surgical instruments, second part. Recap. Surgical instruments means the instruments used for surgical operations, not only expensive but could easily be spoiled through care of instruments is important, which helps to preserve them in good condition. Working with bad bad instruments bad instruments complicates operations and may lead to fatal consequences for the patient. Surgical instruments. A proper identification of these instruments is required to prevent these consequences. Example, if a faulty homeostatic clamps is given, it may slip off, resulting into bleeding. The surgical items are not dispensed to directly to the patient, supplied to the actual piece of use of maintain sterility. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to understand about classification, types and uses of surgical instruments used in surgical miscellaneous instruments. Surgical instruments, retractors used to put the tissues of bones apart. Sharp retractors are used wherever the tissues are dense and there is no danger to injuries the vessels or tissues. Blunt forceps are used for spreading deep tissues, specifically near large vessels. Surgical instruments is a collective term given to those instruments which are used for surgical operations. These there is a wide array of surgical instruments, and each year a few more are added to this. Some key instruments are being described here. The pharmacist is accepted to handle the surgical instruments at the drugs storage level and hospital. A preliminary knowledge of these instruments is thus necessary for any pharmacist working in a hospital. A retractor is a surgical instrument used to separate the edge of the surgical incision or would or to hold back underlying organs and tissues so that body parts under the incision may be accessed. The general term retractor usually describes a simple handheld steel tool positioning a curved, hooked or angled blade and fitted with comfortable handle that when in place place maintains the described position of a given region of tissue. These simple retractors may be handheld, clamped in place, or suspended at the end of a robotic arm. Retractors can also be self-retaining and not need to be held once inserted by having two or more opposing blades or hooks which are separated via spring, ratchet, worn gear or other method. The term retractor is also used to describe distinct hand-cranked devices such as rib spreaders, also known as thoracic retractors or distractors, with which surgeons may forcefully drive tissues apart to obtain exposure for specialized situations such as spinal surgery. Retractors have been fitted both with suction and with fiber optic lights to keep a surgical wood dry and illuminated. Towel clips or corner clips are preparatory to surgery accessories used to fix surgical towels, which reduces the risk of contamination, used to hold the corners of the draping sheets during operation. Towel clips are instruments that have proved to be indispensable in surgeries. One of their primary functions is to hold drapes in place 3 to keep only the operating field exposed. The basic towel clamp design includes looking handled and a tip which may be curved or pointed and may have teeth for traction. To use the towel clamp, someone opens that clamp, positions it where it is needed, and closes it again. The clamp will hold until someone releases it. The design to the clamp can vary slightly depending on uses and manufacturers but is generally easy to use. Most common of them is the ordinary type, about 3.5 inches long with spring action. Another is the Mayo Towel Clips 3, which is about 5.5 inches long with its tips designed to have firm grip on drapes and has a ratchet for looking the box joint. Others are the Black House Towel Clamp smaller than mayos, although of the same design. Furthermore, there is the Mini Hands Terra Towel clip, which has 4 teeth, used for toweling the sides of the incision to reduce the contamination risk further. Otherwise are Bernhard ball and socket, Duane and Sheldale towel clips. Towel clips or corner clips are of the following types: Duane's type and Gray's type. Duane's type Duane's type Duane clamps have two sharp pronged tips. The tips can secure the drap tightly than a single prong clamp like backhouse. The clamp has a cross-action spring handle. Backhouse type. Backhouse towel clamp. The backhouse towel clamp is a perforating clamp used for grasping tissues, securing towels or drapes and holding or reducing small bone fractures. The backhouse towel clip can be found in two versions: disposable and reusable. The reusable backhouse towel clip is made using a high quality metal which allows it to be sterilized and withstand heat and pressure. Disposable ones can be used once and thrown away. Both kinds have their own disadvantages. The reusable backhouse towel clips need larger amounts of space and energy to be sterilized every time after use, whereas the disposal clips generate a larger amount of waste. However, in terms of how each works, both instruments are great. The backhouse towel clips can be used in all kinds of specialties. Within the field of medicine, it is also helpful in grabbing a holding of skin, bone, or myomas when the worse needle is being placed. The backhouse towel clip can be clipped onto the patient's skin directly. The design of the towel clip is hence made in such a manner to avoid hurting the patients and to prevent any complications from occurring during and after surgery. The main of the backhouse towel clip, however, is one which is essential for the field of medicine, which is why Every specialty makes use of this instrument. They keep the draping in place, which ensures that the surgical site is kept sterile all the time. Fourth is Moynihan's Terra forceps has four teeth, two on each blade, used to fix the towel to the skin flap on either side of the incision to prevent entry of microorganisms from the skin. Specifically useful to abdominal operation due to its curvature. Moynihan towel clamp 19 cm. Moynihan clamps are used to secure towels to the drape in a surgical procedure. Moynihan clamps have two sharp prongs teeth. The tips can secure the drape tightly than a single prong clamp like backhouse. The clamps have a longer snacks with screw joint fitting and angled tips. Moynihan clamps are versatile because of their longer length and angled jaw, and can be used in the areas where straight jaw clamps cannot be used. Moynihan towel clamp is also called Moynihan towel forceps. The overall length of the clamp is 19 cm. Towel clamps common uses. Towel clamps secure towel and surgical draping during a medical procedure. Medical tools towel forceps are made from high-grade stainless steel, perform their function effectively. Scalpels are the main cutting instruments. They should be always sharp. Scalpel is a blade with handle. The blades are detachable and are various shapes used to make an incision. A scalpel or lancet or bistoury is a small and extremely sharp bladed instrument used for surgery, anatomical dissection, poetry, and various arts and crafts, called a hobby knife. Scalpels may be single-use, disposable, or reusable. Reusable scalpels can have permanently attached blades that can be sharpened, or more commonly, removable single-use blades. Disposable scalpels usually have a plastic handle with an extensible blade like a utility knife and are used once, then the entire instrument is discarded. discarded. Scalpel blades are usually individually packed in sterile pouches but are also offered non-sterile double-edged scalpels are referred to as lancets. Scalpel blades are usually made of hardened and tempered steel, stainless steel, or high carbon steel. In addition, titanium, ceramic, diamond, and even obsidian knives are not uncommon. For example, when performing surgery under MRI guidance, steel blades are usable. The blades would be drawn to the magnets or may cause image artifacts. Historically, the preferred material for surgical scalpel was silver. Scalpel blades are also offered by some manufacturers with a zirconium nitride coated edge to improve sharpness and edge retention. Other manufacture blades that are polymer coated to enhance lubricity during a cut. Alternative to scalpels in surgical applications include electrocautery and lasers. Surgical scalpels consist of two parts, a blade and a handle. Handles are often reusable, with the blades being replaceable. In medical applications, such blade is only used once, sometimes just for a single small cut. The handle is also known as BP handle, named after Charles Russell's Bard and Morgan Parker, founder of the Bard Parker Company. Morgan Parker patented the two-piece scalpel design in 1915, and Bard Parker developed a method of cold sterilization that would not dull the blades, as did the heat-based method that was previously used. The handle of medical scalpels come in two basic types. The first is a flat handle used in the 3 or 4 handles. The 7 handle is more like a long writing pen, rounded at the front and flat at the back. A handle is larger than a blade are manufactured with a corresponding fitment size so that they fit on only one size handle. The following table of the blades is incomplete and some blades listed may work with handles not specified here. Needles, mainly of two types: hypodermic needles for parenterals, surgical needles for stitching. Different sizes and are straight or curved. The shaft may be round or triangle or fat. Each taper into a sharp point. Have an automatic eye for threading more easily and quickly. Hypodermic. A hypodermic needle, one of the category of medical tools which enter the skin, called shafts, is a very thin, hollow tube hollow tube with a sharp tip that contains a small opening at the pointed end. It is commonly used with a syringe, a hand-operated device with a plunger to inject substances into the body. Saline solutions containing various drugs or liquid medicines or extract fluids from the body, example blood. They are used to take liquid samples from the body, for example taking blood from a vein, a venipuncture. Large bore hypodermic intervention is especially useful a catastrophic blood loss or treating shock. A hypodermic needle is used for rapid delivery of liquids or when the injected substance cannot be ingested, either because it would not be absorbed as with insulin or because it would harm the liver. There are many possible routes for an injection, with the arm being a common location. The hypodermic needle also serves an important role in research environments where sterile conditions are required. The hypodermic needle significantly reduces contamination during inoculation of a sterile substrate. The hypodermic needle reduces contamination for two reasons. First, its surface is extremely smooth, which prevents airborne pathogens from becoming trapped between irregularities of the needle's surface. which would subsequently be transferred into a media. Example, agar. As contaminants, second, a needle's surface is extremely sharp, which significantly reduces the diameter of the hole remaining after puncturing the membrane and consequently prevents microbes larger than this hole from contaminating the substrate. Surgical needles for stitching deep work requires greatly curved needles for turning more superficial tissues, especially the skin. Needles with laser curves may be used. Other needles are lumbar punctures needle is available like hypodermic needle with withdraw cerebrospinal fluid. It is 8 to 10 centimeters long. Aneurysm needle, blunt and curved with an eye at the tip. The eye is meant for threading ligature material or isolate a vein. Blunt tip, eye and handle. Catheters used for drawing out the urine from bladder or other fluid materials from various parts of the body. May be rigid, made up of all metal or semi-soft steel or soft rubber and are of different sizes. Though hollow throughout beyond the eye, the distal end is solid for easy insertion. This is diagram. Miscellaneous instruments. Tongue holding forceps. Similar to towel clips type, and the tip of one of the blades is expanded onto which the tips of other blades fits. It picks the tongue only at the point used to hold the tongue during any operation on the tongue or the prevent it from falling back as not to abstract breathing. During anesthesia, tongue holding forceps, sponge holding forceps or swab holder, long instrument with blades expanded at the ends with transverse serrations and the central fenestration used to hold the swabs for antiseptic dressing before surgery, also used to press on the tonsil bed to arrest hemorrhage, to hold the fundus of the gallbladder during cholecystectomy. Sponge holding forceps or Pong's forceps, as they may be called, are instruments which are used by doctors to hold on to sponges and or swabs while conducting their medical procedure. Sponge holding forceps are usually made in the shape of a scissors. The jaws of these forceps can either be serrated or they may be smooth. The handles are ratcheted as well as looped. Sponge holding forceps can either be curved or they may be straight. The shape is different for each individual purpose for which they may be used. Dressing forceps. Dressing forceps are used when dressing wounds. They may also be used during wound debridement to remove infected or necrotic tissue or debris from the wound. They may also be used for stunning. Short instruments and the tips of the blades are sponge shaped, have transverse serrations with a central groove, and there are no catches on the handle. Used to hold swab for the dressing of the wounds. Bone cutting gauge forceps. Bone cutting forceps are used in orthopedic surgery to cut bone. Bone cutting forceps are used to grasp and manipulate and extract bones. Our orthopedic bone cutting forceps are designed for surgical procedures concurring musculoskeletal trauma, sport injury, infections, etc. Has sharp blades and a handle with or without lever arrangement. Used for cutting off small bones and nipping of sharp ends of large bones. Bone holding loin forceps. The GPC Ferguson's or loin bone holding forceps is used for holding the bone during open surgeries of the bone such as fracture reduction and bone realignment. The slightly curved handles make This instrument ideal for manual operation and manipulation. Bone holding forceps have short blunt teeth on the blades to catch bones. It resembles a lion's jaw when open. Files holding forceps have oval shaped jaw grooved from inside with on serrations. It differs from the spong holding forceps in not having the serrations. The handle has finger bowl and catches used to hold the pail's mass. Seventh is intestinal clamp. The blades are long and thin with longitudinal serrations from inside. The handle has finger bows and catches. It is laminectomy saw or Horsley type. It has a convex sawing margin of the blade. The blade has piston grip handle used to saw a bone. Ninth is airway tube. May be metallic or rubber. It helps entry of area into the air passages in the unconscious or the anesthetized patients. The curvature of the tube is such that when inserted it draws the tongue forward and thereby prevents obstruction. 10th, tracheostomy tube made of metal, rubber or polythene provides is the easy entry of air into a trachea. Metal tube has an inner and outer compounds. If the inner component gets blocked with mucus, the same has been removed, cleaned and reinserted. The metal tube should not be kept for more than 40 hours after operation, replaced by rubber or polythene type. 11. Bone plate made of non-ionizable metal used for fixation, internal fiction in fractures of long bones. The holes are meant for screws which fix the plate in position. The plate may be kept permanently or may be removed if there is infection and sinus formation or if there is non-union and other operation is required. Summary. In this period, we discussed about classification, types and uses of surgical instruments used in surgery, miscellaneous instruments. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.